Think they could be in our youth?
Oh yeah. Train him for it.
What is it here? I got this. First whatever. You don't think it's have to help you sleep? So what do you do tomorrow?
I was off the other guy. Oh yeah. After I finished that.
You like taking it?
It's tough to power through it. I've never been in eating contest at all, let alone baking. Baking's really hot. It's kind of hard to eat. Oh yeah. They made us wait for about a half hour. All right.
Hey, thanks so much for your
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that's right. More greasy. Thank you. Yeah.